So welcome back to another ZPG video. Welcome back. Thank you for coming back. So today we're just gonna be preparing my front lip or spraying my front lip as well. At the moment we're just sanding it down and then we'll go from there. You're probably wondering why I'm wearing the same outfit as the last video.
No one was.
Oh shit. Right, but I haven't showered in about a week or two. So that's why I'm still in the same outfit. And we've been here for the past 2 weeks trying to sand this down. But it's not working. Nah, psych. So now we're just gonna quickly sand it down. Here's a time lapse. Safety gear first. So that's about it for today. It's getting dark. We'll continue this video another day, but this is what I got so far on the lip. I don't know if you guys can see it because it's dark. So we just sanded it down so it can be ready for primer. So I'll catch you guys next time when we continue preparing the lip for paint and primer. So what is up guys, day 2 of sanding. So I'm not sure if you guys saw it last night, but this is how it actually looks in sunlight, better light. So we haven't really touched over there. We touched here, all the way around. And I'm not too sure why, but I left the middle. And then we did this side as well. So we're basically just gonna hit it with the 100 grit sandpaper to just get rid of all the paint. And then after that, we're gonna hit it with 400 grit. And then hit it with primer. And then after primer, we're gonna hit it with 800 grit. And then it should be ready for paint. So my plan today is to hit this side over here, roughen it out, take off the paint. Hit the middle, cause yeah, I don't know why I left it. And then hit the bottom. And then hit the edges. So there it is guys, just finished sanding. So there you go, all of the paint is gone, as you can see. Even at the bottom, I got rid of all of it. That's it for the sanding part, like I said. And then next step is primer. So yeah, paint day today. Gotta quickly set up and then go to the store or the shop and then get some primer because I don't have any. And also the other day I hit the lip with the adhesion promoter. Adhesion promoter is meant to help stick other shit on it, so hopefully it works, but I'm not too sure because I left it. It's been like what, a day or two now, but yeah. So first, oh what the fuck, plus the primer, wrong one. So first I just cleaned the lip again with the wax and grease remover, and then I'm going to hit it again with the adhesion promoter. This is the plastic primer filler. I'm not too sure if this is the same as the primer, like, because I googled it and shit, and like the primer one said it was more for metal and stuff, and then the primer filler said plastic, so I just went with that. And last time I went with the primer filler as well, and that lasted pretty good, 2 years. So I'm going to go with it again. I forgot to show you guys, but here's my getaway setup. Look at that.
You showed us.
There you go. Drop sheet on the floor here, and a drop sheet on the window there, or sliding door, because we don't want to overspray on it. And then I just got some boxes, got an old ass shoe rack, and I put the lip on it. But yeah. Primer time. Test. The fuck? Oh! It's the wrong way! It's the fucking wrong way! Oh my god. Kids, this one you always double check. Yeah, but now what? Yeah. And yeah, so now we're gonna wait 5 to 10 minutes and then we'll put on the last 2 or 3 coats. So yeah, and then we sand it down. So here's the lip, just hit it with the 800 grit sandpaper. As you can see, it's roughened up a bit. Oh, it feels smooth though. It's roughened up a bit. It feels smooth though. It's roughened up a bit. It feels smooth though. But after now, oh, what the fuck? So just hit it with the 800 grit sandpaper. It's feeling smooth. Now I'm gonna wash it. Oh, over here's still rough. Probably gonna hit that bit again. But make sure it's smooth. And then I'm gonna hit it with the wax and grease remover. And then it should be ready for the paint. Oh yeah, just a quick side note. You should dip your cans in warm water. So then like it doesn't like clog up. And also when you spray, it doesn't like splatter everywhere. It will spray more smooth. Because when it's cold, sometimes it sticks together, and then when you shoot it, it will just splatter everywhere. So you want to put it in warm water, so then it will come out more smoother. So I moved into the garage, but I should have done this earlier because not much light now. Closed it because it was so windy. But yeah, hit it with the wax and grease remover. Now it's time for paint. Hopefully I don't stuff this up, because the paint, if you stuff up, it's not like primer where you can go back, sand it or spray more, and it's not like clear coat where you can buff it out, kinda. But the paint, if you stuff it up, you gotta basically restart from scratch. So hopefully this goes well. So just getting the paint ready. Hopefully it goes all well, goes to plan. But if it doesn't go to plan, man, I got another fail video, another how not to video, so hopefully not. Oh, fuck. I had it wrong. That's why I quickly ran. It ran, I don't know what happened, look at the paint. It splattered all over the floor. Like look, I don't even know what I had to. I think because I held it on a shitty angle. But yeah, it splattered and it dripped there, I had to quickly wipe it. And I can't get those off. So I'm probably gonna quickly hit it with the wax and grease remover and hopefully it goes away. Oh, I think I figured out the problem. So, even when I used this for the primer before, when I put this clip on to help me spray, I'm not sure if you can see the nozzle inside, it tends to spin, and I think that's why. So when it sprayed, it was facing the right way here, and then when I pressed it, it would have sprayed onto here, and it probably would have splattered everywhere. So yeah. So I'll probably do it by hand now, because I'm scared I'm going to get another drop. But we'll see how we go from there. So let's go. We're gonna wait apparently 10 to 15 minutes, so you gotta put a timer on. So this is how it looks with the 5th coat done. But here it is, we're lighting, look. So that's it, 5th coat done, final coat done, and the little touch-ups done. I'm just gonna let it dry overnight now, and then tomorrow morning hit it with the clear coat. So welcome back guys, it's the next morning. So today's plan is just to hit it with the clear coat. So here it is guys with natural light. There it is, look at that. nice and blue. It's looking more like a matte finish, so I'll probably have to go back and polish it, and then when it's polished, hopefully it's looking nice and shiny. So there it is. It's looking sick. It's pretty good, pretty nice, easy and fun job. But it took me ages because I did bit by I did bit by bit every day. So yeah. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can hear me, but you might have remembered. Remember last week, mine got a new lip and he just painted it and now he installed it. So there it is. Oh yeah. Wow, it looks 100 times way better. This was before and this is after. So before, after. Looks more aggressive. Oh. Looks more tough. But yeah. Fuck. 100 times way better, man. Hey. Yeah. So what is up, guys? The lip is finally done. All we're gonna do is now polish it and install it in the car. I'm not gonna be installing the car in this video. What? Installing the car? I'm not gonna be installing the lip in this video. So I'll install it in the next video. So make sure you subscribe, keep updated. So before the sun goes down, I'll show you the lip, how it looks in the sun. So there it is. So the color from my eyes right now and in the sun, the color looks pretty good. Like it looks legit. It looks like the actual bumper in the car, but I won't find out, or we won't find out until I actually put it on. There's the lip, and now all I'm gonna do is polish it and then put it back on the car. I'm not gonna be putting it on the car today, so if you want to see that, make sure to stay tuned and subscribe. That video is coming soon. So hopefully it's the right color. We won't find out, but it's gonna be better than before with the little stone chips. So that's it. That's gonna be it for today's video. So if you like that one, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hopefully this video went well. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and see you next time. Ladies.